Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office and I'm excited because I have the September Joyful Jordan box for you today. So this is the subscription box from Jordan Essentials that comes out each month, and it's always fun to see what's inside. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome, and let's go ahead and dive right in. So the Joyful Jordan box is a subscription box from Jordan Essentials. It is $29, and if you do subscribe, then you get free shipping, and the box is always valued at $45 or more. And it's going to be full of lots of great botanically based natural ingredient products made in Missouri. So that's awesome. And of course, the box usually has at least one or two items that are exclusive to the box, plus some other fun items. Sometimes it's something from the catalog, something in a different size. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at our September Joyful Jordan box. And this box is available September 1st through September 30th of 2022. Each box will have a card in it, and it's going to have a little fun quote or image on one side. And when we turn the card over, it's going to tell us about what's inside the box. So this one looks like it's an awesome set for happy feet. So it says, creating happy feet one pedicure at a time. Enjoy the benefits of this peppermint pedicure set in the comfort of your home. And I'm really excited about this box because I don't know about you guys, but I have been wearing my sandals all summer and my feet are dry and need a little TLC. So this is going to be awesome. We'll start out with the peppermint foot scrub. So that is going to be this one right here. Just going to move these little biodegradable packing peanuts. So it says the peppermint foot scrub, add to a pumice stone or washcloth and massage into feet to exfoliate and remove dead skin. I love any of our scrubs. I feel like they're just such a nice way to really exfoliate and slough off the dry, dead skin. This has jojoba beads and walnut shells for happy, beautiful feet. So that's awesome, and it feels so good if you've been on your feet a lot or just really want to have a little time to pamper your feet, then our foot scrub is a really good way to go. Next, we have the peppermint foot cream with magnesium. So of course, a lot of our products have magnesium, and the topical magnesium has lots of great benefits. We'll talk about that in a minute, but I'll show you this peppermint foot cream, and it says dry feet well, massage into the entire foot. The peppermint essential oil cools and refreshes while the magnesium soothes sore feet. And this is our essential oil base with the shea butter and lots of good botanical ingredients. I'll just show you, it's a nice, rich and thick, creamy foot cream. So it's going to help to heal and soften dry skin after you've gotten through some of those rough patches. Then you can really add some good healthy moisture back to your skin. And I love all of our lotions, our shea butters, our hand and body lotions. Everything soaks in and just leaves your skin feeling smooth and soft and moisturized. So that is a treat. And of course you can use it anywhere you want, but it's awesome on your feet because of the peppermint. And then the final thing is our peppermint pedi stick. And if you're familiar with our lotion bars, this is basically a lotion bar in a stick form. So it's going to have a beeswax base, and it's great to keep by your bedside. I like to put this on my feet right before bed. It feels so good. It says rub on heels and the balls of your feet, lock in moisture for long-lasting, soft and moisturized skin. So again, it has that cooling peppermint essential oil, and it says peppermint essential oil is fresh, cool, and stimulating to the senses. And of course, with the beeswax base, it's going to help seal and protect your skin, lock in your body's natural moisture. And of course, you can use this on elbows or knees, any kind of dry patches, and you just push it up. It's like a little push-up stick, and then that's just going to massage into your skin. And again, add that nice layer of healthy moisture that's going to protect and heal your skin. And then I mentioned the magnesium. So the magnesium that's in our peppermint foot cream, it says known as the miracle mineral. It offers stellar cellular support, helps to ease stress, pain, and fatigue, and soothes muscles, calms inflammation, improves circulation, and nourishes skin. So that's why a lot of the Jordan Essentials products now come with magnesium, because of all those wonderful benefits. That way you can use whatever product you like and get some of the health benefits of the magnesium. And then the walnut shells that are in our peppermint foot scrub, it has a little extra bonus info here. Used in our peppermint foot scrub as a natural exfoliant, these shells are extremely hard and do not break down, which makes them highly effective as a scrub, coping effectively with even the thickest of skin on heels and feet. And of course, because they're just a natural product with the walnut shells, they're still biodegradable and healthy for the environment too. So this is an awesome collection, our September Joyful Jordan box. I will have everything linked down below in case you're interested in picking one up. And of course, this is good through September 30th. So there's time to get one if you need. And if you want to subscribe, it's a great way to get a good collection of these wonderful, healthy products. It's something new and different every month. And of course, you're going to save a bundle because it's normally valued at $45 or more. And the price on the box is only $29. And like I mentioned, if you subscribe, then you get free shipping too. So thanks for joining me. I hope that was fun for you to see the September Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. And of course, I'll have the links for everything you need to check it out if you want to get yours and all that in the description as well. Thanks. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.